Welcome to Tourism Talks. Today we are going to discuss on Ecotel concepts in detail. Subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. What is an Ecotel? It is an environmentally sustainable hotel that has made important environmental improvements to its structure in order to minimize the impact on natural environment. It is also called as Eco Hotel or Green Hotel. Few Indian ecotels are the Orchid Hotel and Rhodas Hotel of Mumbai, Fern Hotels and Resorts, the Raintree Green Hotel of Chennai. What are the major features of an ecotel? These hotels are more environmental friendly hotels. Uses only the products that are safe for environment and society. Like different kind of organic products. All green hotels apply the concept of reduce, reuse, and recycle in different stages. Follows only the green structure or building practices which is more sustainable. Always keep a profit percentage for contribution on conservation activities. Local participation and empowerment programs in all possible stages. Energy efficient and renewable energy systems for entire project plans. What is a 5 globes concept? It is the global principles that followed by all green or eco hotels. The 5 globes concepts are: 1. Energy conservation. 2. Water conservation. 3. Solid waste management. 4. Employee environmental education. 5. Environmental commitment. The major green certifications around the world are: Green Globe Certification Standards. STEP, Sustainable Tourism Eco-Certification Program. LEED Certification, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. BRE Environmental Assessment Method. Energy Star. Green Seal or Green Tag. Green Guard. Subscribe the channel for more updates, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.